Hello, my friends. Oh, can you not see me? Oh no, I'm invisible. I don't like being invisible. All right, so we need to go find out what's wrong. Here I am, but I'd rather use my new webcam. There I am. Okay. So the reason I like to use the webcam is because as I play, it's nice to be looking at you instead of at the OBS, which is the laptop where the software that I use to stream is located. So, hello today. What are we going to do? We have a few things planned, but I think because yesterday was such a big day, today we're just going to take it easy. So, first of all, someone needs to wake up. Yay! Hello, hello. How are you? Do some stretches. It's always good to do some stretches. Yeah. Or you can actually maybe even do some other stretches. There you go. The other way. Yeah. There you go. Okay. Well, okay. You can stop. All right. Let's see what kind of weather we got today. It is... I think that looks like a good day. Oh, did you know that you could open and close your curtains? Looks like a sunny day to me. I think it's time to get dressed. And what will we wear today? Can you see me? Okay, I think I gotta adjust this a little bit. Here we are. Still seem to be way down. Should I change? Yes. What should I change into? I have no idea. So, anyone who's watched the stream before knows, whoa, I've got like so many work shirts. I think even though it might be sunny out, it's probably a pretty chilly day still. Not sure if I want to go sporty. And there's that like, what is that? Is that like a bike shirt? This is a bulldog jacket. What is a bulldog jacket? This is called a cafe uniform. I don't think I want to wear a cafe uniform. I'm just going to wear that. I'm going to wear a skirt. I am going to wear a hat. And I need my glasses so I can see. And I love my stripy tights. And I'm going to wear my Mary Janes. And here I am. Ready to go. Yeah! Yay! All right, let's go see what is going on in the world. So today I thought we'd do a little bit of exploring. So first of all, do any of you have tickets in your storage? And if you do you know what they're for? So I have 4 Tailor tickets. I have 9 Sahara tickets. And I have 2 Dreambell exchange tickets. Now, first of all, am I able to give those tickets away as a gift? Because that might be kind of a nice thing to give away. I'm going to see, first of all. So, Dreambell exchange tickets you get from Luna. And you get that after you've been dreaming. And I guess she likes it when you dream. And I don't know what they're for, but you can sell them for $3,000 a ticket. Sahara Tickets you get from Sahara, who's the person that sells rugs and flooring and wallpaper. And you get 1 ticket if you buy something small, you get 2 tickets if you buy something larger, and you get 3 or medium, and you get 3 if you buy something large. Oh no! Did we forget something important? We did. Oh, it is a sunny day. Yay, it's a sunny day. I love that. But right now, we forgot our moment of serenity. And we need to have that moment of serenity every morning. There we are. There's our serenity room. Have your moment of serenity. There's your bath. Have your moment of serenity. Yeah, that's good. Okay, enough of that. Enough serenity. Okay, so yeah, you get Sahara tickets, 1, 2, or 3, and you can exchange them for rugs and wallpaper. And just so you know, the rugs and the wallpaper and the flooring you get from Sahara, you can't get any other way. Then there's Tailor Tickets, and you can use a Tailor ticket for clothing up to 3,000 bells. And then your lunatic, actually lunatickets you get $5,000 for. So my first question is, can I give these tickets away as gifts? Because there's a couple advantages to giving away gifts, as you may or may not know. One, my pockets are full. I think we need to go and empty our pockets a bit. The advantages of giving gifts. Ooh, look at that. There's money over there. First of all, you give gifts to your friends and you get neighbor points. And that, I'm not really sure why we'd want neighbor points. Look at this. It's one of those big beds. I've been kind of collecting this furniture. I'm going to do an amazing room in my new house with it. 23,000 bells. That's so much. I'm going to have to think about that. But I definitely want this. These are cool. It's called a kimono stand, but you can put anything on it. Like you can put different kinds of material on it. So it can match. It can match. I definitely want that. All right, so let's sell some of our stuff, make some room in our pockets. But first of all, I want to know how much a single Sahara ticket is going to get me. 100 bells. I'll pass. All right, so now we know a Sahara ticket is worth 100 bells. Let's find out what okay, I'm going to write that down here. So let's find out what a single Tailor ticket is worth. Oh. I want to sell and tell me how much 4 Tailor tickets are going to get and I will divide it by 4. 1,000. So 250 bells each. I'm going to pass. And now we'll check out a Luna ticket. It's all about tickets today. It's all about tickets. Okay, and now we have a Luna ticket. This should be 5,000, but we will see. Ah, okay. We don't want that right now. Or do we? Well, we want to see if we can give those away to friends. And you know, maybe, you know, there might be someone you want to give it away to. So let's get rid of our stuff. We give away that and that and that and that. Oh, it's probably not a good idea to give away clams or iron nuggets. What else have we got here? Alright, that's all we want to give away. Not a bad haul. Not a bad haul. Okay, that's all we want to do for now. We'll think about the bed. I don't have that extra room because I haven't paid off my mortgage. So maybe instead of spending $23,000 on a mortgage. Good morning. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Cup of coffee. Oh, maybe I better. Oh, hi. Let's see. Would you like something? I love your scarf. All right. Oh, you can't give away tickets. I'll give her a balloon. Okay, so one thing about giving away things, and obviously a balloon isn't one of those things. Okay, I picked up a lost item, so now you have to find out who it goes to. Anyways, one thing about giving away things. See what tickets look like when you drop them. Funny. You get neighbor points, and if it's a cool enough thing, oh, this person sells shoes. I'm never that fussy on their shoes. Should we harvest our tree? Oh, I think so. Oh, I think so. This is $30,000. Uh-oh. Can't get it. Oh no. Where's my money? Where's my money? I can't believe that. There's no money there. Oh, there it is. I mean, normally I wouldn't complain, but it is $30,000. Alrighty. I think a good place to drop some tickets might be at the carnival. What do you think? We're going. Oh, look how nice and clean it is here today. I cleaned up all these flowers last night. Do you know how to get rid of your flowers? Oh, I don't have to buy. Someone just came into chat and said that I could buy followers and viewers. But I'm not really into that. Okay, so we have tickets here. So how about if I just drop some tickets and make it kind of look funny? Okay, grab one. Okay, and then just drop it. That looks good, doesn't it? Let's do another one. I love that. That looks so good. That looks so realistic. So one thing I noticed about a lot of people and their islands is that they do a lot with the ground. Ooh, this looks interesting. What could that be? I think it's a... Dig that up. Dig that baby up. Look, I just dug up and buried. And I'm gonna dig it up again. And I'm gonna cover up the hole and just put it here for now. So you can dig up and rebury your money tree, just to make sure they're not in your way. So I also removed the flowers up here, except for one. And I have to make up my mind what I'm gonna do with that area. Oh, there's an orange. I don't think I need this anymore. These, if you have fruits on your island that aren't native, you're gonna make a lot of money. So this area here is, it's really, it has all the items, but it just doesn't look well designed. And I've noticed that a lot of places that I visit now, especially through Instagram, they have amazing designs. Hello! Ahoy! Ahoy! Nobody there today. Nobody there. If you come to my island over by the flea market, you'll find all the DIYs. And you can come to my island as a dream, because I just updated my dream. There's not much to see or do, but there's definitely a lot of DIYs, and you're welcome to them. So what I do is if I already know the DIY, I just drop it there. So this is a little area. I think I'm gonna, you know what? Let's do it now. This is an example of how you can find something cool to put on your island. So what I want is like a round, not really a rug, kind of a blanket, but I'd like it to have kind of a ragged edge, not just a square, straight edge. So I go to criteria and I go round blanket. And once you say round, I mean, it's going to be cool because they have to make the edges invisible when they're round. Oh, I should have specified blanket, but yeah. So the problem with me is having to use up so many spaces to get these effects. I don't really have that many spaces left. So let's try that again, only this time we're going to look up round, and I'm going to say lacy. Round lace. And now let's see if we get anything. There's something, and it's just one, so let's do it. Now we have to figure out, oh, we can put it there actually. I used to have a rock there, and I never really liked the way the rock looked on the ground. So I erased the rock, and then, oh, sorry, and then, I can't talk and press buttons at the same time. Anyways, I erased the rock, and then of course, my island was covered in white squares, which was annoying. Okay, here we are. Now, let's put that on the ground and see what it looks like. Ooh, that's kind of nice. And can I overlap them? I don't know. Like, what does that look like, really? Doesn't look like anything. Alright. Oh. Maybe if I put it on the sand. Oh, I gotta drop something. Let's drop a petal. That's not gonna work. Oh. We can't put our money away because we got too much of it. Too much money. Okay, let's see what happens if we put a lacy thing here. And now we'll put the chair back. I like that the chair's on it part way. You know, it just... Having these things like this little square here is nice. But it doesn't... The edges don't look realistic, do they? That was a little experiment. Okay, so you may wonder why I have these. These have been planted, but they're not growing, and I don't actually even know what they are. But I like the fact that I can have a variety of growth. What I'd really like to do is grow some bushes, but I don't have any bushes. I need to buy some from that person who comes to my island periodically and sells bushes. But they haven't been to my island for a long time. It's possible because I haven't bought anything from them ever. And they're like, we're not going to come anymore if you don't buy anything from us. And I'm like, I don't want to buy anything from you. But now I do. Oh. Alright, that doesn't look right. I'd like to be able to put something over here. Like maybe I should, like, I don't know. I just would like the edge of that blanket to be more realistic. I guess that's all I'm saying. If I had a book, I could put it over. Are there any books at the flea market? No. Oh, there's a cup of coffee. Well, I've already got a cup of coffee there. I wouldn't mind a cup of coffee myself, though. Oh, I could put blocks there. Should we throw something else down? I don't have anything to throw down. Let's go put some blocks on that blanket. So I'm here with the child, and the child's off playing at the moment. Okay. If you ever run out of ideas, it's just fun to scroll through Instagram. There's so many good ideas on Instagram. Like I saw someone do a quick build for their campsite. It was amazing. It was beautiful. And I want to do it. When I first put this campsite here, I put these little animal footprints on the ground. I still really like them. I think they look really cool. Wow. What is that? Okay, so I have an idea. I've been seeing people. Where did that butterfly go? It was so beautiful. Where's that butterfly? I've been seeing people put bugs on stands, and it looks so cool. And I've tried to do that a couple of... Oh, look at Buzz is wearing an Easter egg hat. Not good, Buzz. Do not wear Easter egg hats after Easter. Okay. We're going to go see what's... There's one more kind of ticket. Can you guess what it is? I've talked about Sahara Tickets, Tailor Tickets, Luna Tickets. There's Nook Miles tickets. Oh, you know what? I got to get out of here because I got too much stuff. I just want to look. It's not really anything new in here. I don't think they ever put anything new in there. They sometimes put different things at the top here, but I've got all that. Like, how do you ever get something different from what you already have? Well, as far as I know, there are only 2 ways to do it in your game. And then there's quite a few ways to do it outside of your game. So let's say you would like to have a fancy stall that has the triangular roof, whereas all my stalls have just one roof. Supposedly there's a kind of stall that has a triangular roof. I saw. Why are you trying to catch the door? Was there a bug on it? I'm just going to empty my pockets again. Sorry to be tedious. Sorry to be tedious. I need to sell some stuff. That's fine. So what I also need to do is I need to get rid of some of this money. And I should have done that. Do you ever do that? So have you ever heard of the doorway effect? In the doorway effect, psychologists say that you'll have something in your mind that you're going to do. And then, have you ever done that? You know, okay, I'm going to go into the kitchen and I'm going to get a glass of milk. But you get up and you go through the doorway into the kitchen and you totally forget you were there for milk. And you dry a cup and put it in the cupboard and you put something in the dishwasher and then you go back to where you were before and you sit down and then you go, oh, wait a minute. I was going to get a glass of milk. You totally forgot about it. And what that is it's called the doorway effect. So when you go through a doorway, oh look, I only have, I could maybe pay Do you think that I could actually pay my mortgage off today, and then tomorrow I come in and I have a whole new room, and I think it's going to be an upstairs room? What should I do with it? I've got so many ideas, but I've been collecting stuff. What I'd really like to do it is make it probably be I don't know. I could do a kitchen. I could do another living room. I could do a bedroom. I don't know. Alright, I gotta empty my pockets because we're gonna go hunting. And I am going to buy us a Nook Miles ticket. And we're gonna go to another island. And we're gonna try out my theory, which we've tried a few times. If you've watched any of my streams, you'll know it probably doesn't work. But, alright, so we have found out a few things here. We found out that you cannot give away your tickets. We found out that a Sahara ticket will only get you 100 bells. We found out that a Tailor ticket will get you 250 bells. We found out that a Luna ticket will get you 5,000 bells. Right now, if I wanted to, who are you calling a muscular stranger? Did you see that? They just called me a muscular stranger. Alright. We want to pay off our mortgage first. And we'll get a new room. And next week, when you join me, I'll have a brand new room. And maybe we can do a build together. Because I'll start collecting stuff for it. So we could do, like, turn it into a cafe. Or we could have it like a bedroom in a hotel. So what I'm going to do right now is show you how to make huge money really fast. And you are going to love this. This is like huge money really fast. This is my #1 tip for making good money. You can make so much money so fast. So what you're going to look for is the, oh, what am I going to do with the shell bed? Oh, we need some stone. And we have stone. Everyone has stone. We have stone, right? We have stone. Everyone has stone. Oh my God, we only have 2 stone. It's not even enough to make huge money. I'm sorry, we need to go get a few more stones. And then I'll show you how to make huge money really fast. Then we'll go pay off our mortgage. And then we'll buy a Nook Miles ticket. And I'll show you how you can get that dodo bird to take you to a really unusual island. Because that's more fun. Maybe a money island. Buzz! Oh, sorry. Yeah. Let's see if this, maybe Buzz dropped this lost item. Oh, he did. Thanks for bringing that back to me. My God, Buzz, why are you giving me a baby romper? I do not want a baby romper. Alrighty. What I want to do is go get some. Oh, better pick up those cherries. I'm gonna go get some stone. Everybody has stone, don't they? Probably not. Apparently not. Okay, so you notice my rocks have fences around them? That's so I can bang away at them and not get pushed backwards. There we go, that's stone. I'm gonna need a lot of iron because I have a lot of recipes now for the ironwood furniture. And maybe my new room will have mostly ironwood furniture. I don't know, I haven't decided. Because I have a lot of that other really, or you know that bed, that $25,000 bed? Well, I have a lot of matching furniture. I have a dresser, I have tables. So, part of me thinks, So you don't have to have, oh, a money one. You don't have to have, oh my goodness. All I'm getting is $2 out of that. That's like, I've never seen anything that bad. But I have rocks now. It's getting pretty messy around here. I need to do some gardening. Notice that? It's like so messy. These people, they live in like a messy garden. Except for Buzz. Buzz's place, I do keep that kind of tidy. Buzz has an Easter egg garden. I don't have the heart to harvest the eggs. I want to just leave it as an Easter egg garden forever. Did you know that if the curtains are open, you should go in because they might be DIYing? So remember, how do you get stuff? Well, one is it comes down from the sky in a balloon. 2, you get given it. by someone who's DIYing. Look, oh, he has a laptop. I couldn't afford a laptop. All right. Okay, I just went through a door. Oh, here, let's bang on this one, shall we? Okay, this one is a new rock. And every time I hit it, it's knocking me backwards. You see how that happens? Oh. And then eventually it knocks you back so much it won't give you anything anymore. They really only give you 7, but I've seen some people get 8 things. Hello, Sheppy Shep. I think I got enough rocks now, so I'm going to show you how to make a lot of money really fast. I remember now. Oh, I'm going through a door though, so if I forget, tell me when I get through. What a beautiful living room. Ah. You know, those lights, aren't they beautiful? They're not on. I don't think they're on. Let's go make them on. Oh, they're off. They're on. Unfortunately, you can only put those lights on a wall, and I really don't have very many walls. But I haven't really forgotten what I'm in here for. Okay, so how to make a lot of money? Shell beds. Shell beds. You need a giant clam, rocks, and clay. Everybody has giant clams, rocks, and clay. I could make 2. If I had more rocks, I could make enough to pay off my mortgage in one sitting. So before I go out, I'm going to get rid of the clay and any leftover iron and clams. It takes quite a few of these clams to make a shell bed. Alright, we're going to go and make money, and then we're going to pay off our mortgage, and then we're going to buy a Nook Mile ticket and go to an island, and we're going to land on a mysterious island. And then I think we're going to be done for the day. Here we go. So, first of all, I'm going to show you how to make lots of money in really should make that path more easy to sort. All right. Not going to buy the bed. Don't really into making a bedroom. Unless it's like, I saw someone turn their house into a hotel. And their bedrooms were amazing. Okay, check this out. 1 shell bed, and I'll just do 1 so you can see. $10,200 for 1 shell bed. That's crazy. If you had 6 shell beds, you could pay off my mortgage. Alright, I'm gonna sell everything I don't want here, and then I'm gonna go pay off my mortgage. Shell bed. Why didn't I put that away? What did they give me? A baby romper? No, thank you. I think that's all. I can buy these things from you for a total of 12,190 bells. And I say thank you. And let's go pay off our mortgage. I'm excited about paying off the mortgage. Oh, big news! I forgot to tell you tonight, shooting stars. Now, if you wish on a shooting star, and I know it took me a long time to figure out how to do that. When you see one, you just press A, and you will get star fragments on the beach the next day for every shooting star you wish on. Just press A and make a wish. So that's tonight, shooting stars. Isabel told me. Okay, first of all, I would like to make a deposit. Oh, wait a minute. I thought I had a whole bunch of money. And apparently I don't. I can't pay off my loan yet, but before tonight's over, I am going to pay it off. For sure. But right now, we're just gonna buy tickets. And we are gonna go for a trip. So every day you can buy 5 things from the store. And you can buy whatever you want with your Nook Miles ticket. And and you can go into the Nook's Cranny and buy whatever you want from there. As much as you want every day. So there's opportunity really to buy quite a bit of stuff. Okay, I have a bike that I want to pop down. There we go. And I have some seaweed, which I'm thinking I will look at all these shells. I'll pick them up later. I'm gonna throw some seaweed down next to this weird mushroom thing. I thought I wanted the seaweed, but it doesn't really look very good on the ground. I grew up on a beach. Oh no, what's wrong? She wants a greeting. Okay, so someone told me yesterday that they just make them all call them Your Highness. So I'm just gonna say, I'm gonna try it. I think that's so cute. Okay, let's give it a try. Your Highness. So, what do you think? I think it sounds perfect. Now we've got a oh, and yet she still calls me Sheepy Sheep. So, like, I don't know. All right, what am I going to do with... All right, we'll put that there. You might wonder why I have all these old axes. There's a good reason for that. The reason is... Oh, let's just build a fence here for a minute. Okay. I'm clearing my pockets because we're going to a secret island and we are gonna find amazing stuff there and we need room in our pockets. Alrighty, let's go. Now, if we can make this dodo bird smile, but we're gonna need the right thing. So where is it? It's this one. Flourish. How do I add these? This one. Well, he saw me, but he didn't do it. We gotta get him to do it. He's still not doing it. Come on, dodo bird. Come on, dodo bird. You gotta do it. Oh, he's not doing it. You gotta get him to do it. Oh, let's just go. Yes, we're gonna use our Nook Miles ticket. I wonder how much. Oh, have you ever heard of Harv's Islands? Let's go there. Okay, so Harv's Island. Oh, I forgot all about Harv's Island. So Harv's Island is a place you can go and build the room of your dreams. And take pictures of it and tell everybody, and then you show it off on your Instagram, or you share it with your friends and you show them what an amazing. So you can't really go anywhere, like everything's fenced off, right? So you don't go anywhere, but you can go inside. Hello, Harv. That's Harvey. I think Harv is short for Harvey. I don't know. And here's the room. So you can go into any room and you decorate it any way you want. Now what I want to know is, where do I get the stuff to decorate it with? So you look into your pocket, you have nothing. You look in here. When you see displayed, hold on, call that character. Alright, I don't. Where do I get stuff to build in Harv's rooms? Does anybody know? Where do I get the stuff? I don't have it there. I can't get into any kind of storage. I don't have anything in my pockets. There's another empty room. So anyhow, when I figure this out, when you're on Harv's Island, you can create the room, any room you want. So you can make a tiki bar, or you can make a spa. You know, it's kind of fun, right? You just get to play with different room designs. And let's ask Harv, where do I get my stuff? Welcome back. The studio's open now, so get in there and take some pictures. Hey, you, what's happening? Do you have questions? Okay, tell me about sets. Okay, there's 6 different rooms. You can set each one up however you like. You press to change the decor. Speaking of set directions, I've got a special deal with Nook Shopping. So if it's in your catalog, you can just borrow one on the spot to use in your set. And if the furniture is customizable, you can, okay, I'm good. Okay, let's try it again. Maybe he needed to tell me that before I could find the stuff. So now we'll go into a room. Do, 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 do. Okay, this is a weird room. Alright, so he says press this to change it. It's all here. First of all, I do not want that wall. Let's try that wall. And then I just want like, I would like a really bad floor. How about that one? Ooh. Wow. That is a really bad floor. Alright, so now we have this really strange place. And look, anything I've ever gotten. Cool! I can even put my residence in there when I don't want to. Alright, how many antique chairs? And look, you can paint them. Alright, so now you know what to do. You go to Harv's island. Harv actually will come to your island and give you an invite. And from then on, you always have access to his island. And then you can do what you want, right? Do I have any more Imperial stuff? Ooh, I do. And I have that. And, ooh, that'll work. Uh-huh. What else do we have? Ooh, the clock's gonna work. I'm basically putting anything brown down there. Anything brown. Are you brown? You're going in. Are you brown? You're going in. I don't see anything more brown though. Look at all the different stuff I have had in my catalog. I love this. I should be taking screenshots. Look at all the different plants I got. Oh, I love this. So it really does show you everything you've ever, shows you everything in your catalog. Don't get sick. You can put blinders on ooh, ooh, ooh. You're wondering what I'm going to do with these, aren't you? Well, I have an idea. Okay. So, this. I'm a little bit stuck. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, so this, I didn't mean to do that. How do I get rid of that? I don't know how to get rid of anything, and I don't know how to move it. Okay, move that. Phew, eh? Okay, can I move that? Okay, this was not very smart. I am stuck. I am stuck in this Harvey hell. Alrighty. You notice how the back of those climbing walls has that neat texture to it? So, I'm not going to do anything more now, but now you know. Now you know everything you need to know about Harvey's Island, and I don't know how to get out of here. Maybe I can walk around back. Ooh, phew. Oh my goodness. I was almost stuck in Harv's Island. I'm going to get out of here because I really don't want to do it right now, but go to Harv's Island, get everything you need, and you can play around with making a different room. I think it's very cool. Oh, look at all these little birds. Okay, we're still going to go to our Nook Miles. What is he talking about? Go for delivery. What does that mean? I have no idea what I just did. Tongue like shaved ice is reporting tango table. I just want to go home. Gonna go home. So, what have we learned today? I don't want to go to Peach Town, but call it what you want. Oh, it is Peach Island, right? So, today we have learned all about tickets, and we have learned about Harv's Island. And if you want to experiment with some of your stuff and make an interesting room, and you don't want to wreck your place, you can go to Harv's Island. And you can even call your neighbors in and say, here, pose here, and let's take our picture. It's kind of fun, huh? It is fun. So I think that's it for us today. It was kind of a quiet day, but it was a fun day. And now, let's go to the farm. Let's go to the farm. This is one of my favorite island spots. Oh, and guess what? I learned how to put my face in a standee. Do you know how? Took me a long time to figure it out. You have to sit. And there you are. Okay. That didn't work. Come on. Supposed to sit. It didn't. Okay, you know what? That's how you do it. Just ignore what just happened there. That is how you do it. You have to sit. Come on, come on. One more time. One more time. Sit in the standee. Hello. Oh, well. Bye-bye for now. Had a lot of fun, and we'll see you next Thursday, 4 o'clock.